Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through creating your very own e-commerce website using Wix. Whether you're just getting started with online selling or looking to build a stunning shop for your brand, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and confidence to launch a beautiful, functional store, no coding required. So let's dive right in and get your online business up and running. First up, let's get to the starting line, creating your site. Now, Wix offers a few different ways you can begin. You can jump in from scratch, use one of their many templates, or even take advantage of their AI site builder. For this demo, though, I'm going to show you the most straightforward approach, using a free template. It's a fantastic way to get a feel for what's possible, and you'll instantly have a professional-looking foundation to build on. So from your Wix dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Site. You'll spot it right on your main screen, but if you get lost or you've already created sites before, click on All Sites in the sidebar and then select Create New Site. Either way gets you to the same place. Once you click to create your new site, Wix gives you three options. You can start completely from scratch, browse by template, or let their AI do some thinking for you. For this walkthrough, go ahead and choose the template route, that's Start from a Template. This choice saves you a lot of design headaches and gives you a major head start, especially if you're new to building websites. Now in the template browser, type e-commerce into the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of shop designs pop up. There are templates for trendy fashion boutiques, cozy home goods stores, digital download shops, you name it. Take some time to scroll and preview a few that catch your eye. Try to find a template that not only matches your style, but also offers the shopping features you'll want for your customers. If you're unsure, think about the overall vibe you want your customers to experience when they land on your homepage. That can really help you choose. When you've found a template that feels like a fit, go ahead and select it. Now comes the fun part, customizing. This is where you can really make the website your own. Wix's editor is super intuitive. You can change text, swap out images, update colors to match your brand, and even rearrange or add sections as needed. Don't be afraid to experiment. Templates are like blueprints. They give you structure, but you get to add all the finishing touches. Maybe you love the way a particular product's grid looks or how the About section draws attention. Use these as inspiration. You can borrow the features you find useful, adapt what you like, or even remove sections that aren't relevant to your business. If it feels overwhelming, remember, you don't need your site to be perfect on day one. You can always revisit and make changes as your business grows. Once your site is looking sharp and you're happy with how everything flows, it's time to take your shop live. Head up to the top right and click that Publish button. Don't be nervous, this doesn't mean your site is instantly visible to the whole world if you're not ready, but it does push your changes onto the web. Wix will automatically provide you with a free Wix Studio domain so people can see your site right away. And if you already own a custom domain or plan to get one soon for that extra professional touch, there's also an easy option to connect it at this stage. After that, just hit save and continue. And just like that, you've got a live e-commerce website ready for your first visitors. If you followed along or if you ran into any tricky spots, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm always here to help out. If you found this guide useful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth Wix tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck with your brand new online store.